Hi class, the purpose of today's video is to show you how to use the paper extension that the district has paid for us to use. It's a really useful app for you to be able to use, and basically what it does is it is live tutoring for you whenever you need it 24/7. So when you go into the paper extension using Clever, you can get live help on almost any homework question, or you can get feedback on an essay, which is what we're going to be using it for today. To use this feature, what you need to do is first open up your essay, and then open up Canvas and go to Modules. Okay. So once you have your essay open, what I want you to do is we need to download it as a PDF. So you're going to go to File, Download, and then PDF. And then it'll show up down here. And then you're going to go to Modules, and you're going to go to the rubric, which is the very first thing under Informative Essay module. Open it up and do the same thing. You're going to go to File and Download as rubric. As PDF. Okay, so both of them will show up down there. Now we are ready to use the paper extension. So you're going to go to Clever, and you're going to scroll down until you see this icon, this blue icon with the white P in it. I've actually hearted it so it shows up right at the beginning, at the top of my Clever page, because I plan on using this often. When you click on it, this is what will show up. It'll say welcome and your name. It'll say what do you need help with. For anything else besides an essay, you could type your question right there and you could get help right away. It'll connect you to a tutor. Or you could click on the class that you need. Like, obviously I have 3 language arts classes, but you would have a language arts class, a math class, social studies, etc. And you could get a tutor through that way. But what we're going to do is we're going to use this essay review option. So you're going to click on upload an essay, and it'll show you all of these, this whole screen here. And it says drop a file here. So your essay is already at the bottom, so I'm going to just drag and drop, and then it shows up as informational essay. I'm going to put it in as informational essay. The language is English. The course is Language Arts Honors. What are my teacher's instructions? I need to write an informational essay about, you would type in your topic, but I'm going to put in the Syrian Civil War with the purpose of teaching my audience about it. Okay. Where it says upload instructions, you're going to upload the rubric that we just downloaded from Canvas. So click on upload. I have to go through downloads here, I guess. So Varghese Informative Rubric 2021. And then you could, you know yourself as an author. So if you know you always have trouble with a particular thing with writing, you can type it in here, like please check my capitalization and punctuation. Or a lot of students have trouble with run-on sentences. Please pay close attention for run-on sentences. So I'm going to put that in here. Please pay close attention for run-on sentences. And remember, this is a live tutor, like a real person, so you want to be kind, right? So just say thank you. And then you would click on Review My Essay. Okay, great work. Your essay has been submitted. You'll receive a notification once one of our tutors has added comments. Now, it will be reviewed within 24 hours. So you can't submit this the night before something is due and expect immediate feedback. You have to give it at least 24 hours. We are going to submit this the night the rough draft is due, so that you have a few days to get the feedback returned to you, so that you could use it when we're revising in class. And then, when you come back to paper, you could just log in again and click on, your assignments. It'll say all on the left-hand side. Click on it, and then instead of pending, it'll say reviewed, and then you can click on it and see all the feedback. I hope this is helpful for you. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. And feel free to use this not just for my class, but for any class. Good luck, and let me know if you need help. Have a great day. Bye.